The machines aren't coming with laser guns and robot armies. They're coming with spreadsheets, social media posts, and navigation systems. Right now, somewhere in the world, an AI is making a decision that could accidentally trigger the next global conflict. And here's the terrifying part. It's not some evil mastermind trying to destroy humanity. It's just doing exactly what we programmed it to do. Modern warfare moves at computer speed, not human speed. Nations have seconds to respond to threats. When those decisions get handed over to algorithms that can't understand context, can't feel fear, and definitely can't appreciate irony, things get dangerous fast. From autonomous weapons gone rogue to deepfakes fooling world leaders, AI is reshaping global conflict in ways that make the Cold War look like a playground dispute. Number 10, the translation disaster. Imagine a tense negotiation between two nuclear powers. Everything's riding on a video call between leaders trying to prevent war. Then, the AI translation software glitches. Instead of, "We seek peaceful resolution," it spits out, "We demand immediate surrender." AI translation errors happen every single day. Google Translate once turned "I am not a problem" into "I am a problem" in Russian. Funny when ordering food, catastrophic when discussing nuclear weapons. Modern diplomacy increasingly relies on these systems, processing thousands of communications daily. One mistranslation during a crisis, one algorithm that misreads cultural context, and suddenly two countries think they're being threatened. Leaders have only minutes to respond, not enough time to verify what was actually said. By the time humans catch the error, missiles could already be in the air. Number 9, the stock market meltdown. AI trading bots control most of the world's financial markets, making millions of trades per second. Now picture this. A fake news story about a country's economic collapse spreads online. AI bots see it, panic, and start selling everything. Within minutes, that country's economy actually does collapse. The government assumes it's economic warfare and launches cyber attacks on what they believe is the source. Except the source is another country's financial sector, and now that nation thinks they're under attack. The 2010 flash crash showed how trading algorithms can spiral out of control, wiping out nearly $1 trillion in 36 minutes. That was just a technical glitch. Imagine the same thing, but with governments convinced it's an act of war. Number 8, the deepfake declaration. Someone creates a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war. The video is perfect, completely indistinguishable from reality. It spreads across social media in minutes, and AI algorithms make sure millions see it immediately. Military commanders see it, news networks broadcast it, and allied nations start mobilizing. By the time fact-checkers debunk it hours later, troops are already moving and defense systems are activated. In 2022, a deepfake of Ukraine's president telling soldiers to surrender circulated online. It was crude and quickly debunked, but the technology improves every single day. Soon, these fakes will be absolutely perfect, and the AI systems designed to detect them will be in an endless arms race, with the AI systems creating them. Number 7, the satellite confusion. AI systems monitor thousands of satellites, tracking missile launches and troop movements. But what happens when the AI misidentifies a SpaceX rocket launch as an incoming missile, or interprets a satellite malfunction as a deliberate attack? The system is programmed to assume the worst because missing a real threat is unacceptable. So it screams, "Attack," and humans have seconds to decide if it's real. During the Cold War, a Soviet early warning system mistook sunlight reflecting off clouds for incoming missiles. A human officer named Stanislav Petrov trusted his gut and didn't report it as an attack. He saved the world. But modern systems are faster, more automated, and increasingly remove humans from that loop. There might not be a Petrov next time. Number 6, the drone swarm malfunction. Autonomous drone swarms are the future of warfare. Hundreds of AI-controlled drones making split-second decisions without human input. Perfect technology, except when it isn't. A software bug causes the swarm to misidentify friendly forces as enemies. Or a cyber attack corrupts their targeting parameters. Suddenly, autonomous weapons are attacking the wrong targets, and the country being hit has no idea if it's a malfunction or an assault. Their own AI defense systems automatically respond, and now two autonomous systems are fighting each other while humans scramble to regain control. Multiple countries are developing these swarms right now, and the race to deploy them is creating pressure to skip crucial safety testing. Number 5, the social media manipulation. AI algorithms control what billions see online daily. These systems maximize engagement by amplifying content that triggers strong emotions. Anger and fear work best. Imagine a coordinated campaign using AI to flood social media with posts inflaming tensions between two countries. The AI doesn't understand it's causing harm. It just knows this content gets clicks. Citizens in both nations become convinced the other side is evil and plotting against them. Politicians facing public pressure start taking aggressive actions. Each action is interpreted by the other side's AI intelligence systems as preparation for war. The feedback loop accelerates until military options start looking reasonable. Number 4. The power grid collapse. Modern power grids are controlled by AI systems, managing the delicate balance between supply and demand. These systems are also prime targets for cyber attacks. When an AI-powered cyber attack takes down a nation's electrical grid, the country goes dark. Hospitals fail, communications collapse, and chaos erupts. The attacked nation's AI intelligence systems immediately analyze the attack's sophistication and trace it to another country's cyber infrastructure. Except the attack actually came from a third party trying to start a conflict. Or maybe it was just a criminal gang looking for ransom money. Doesn't matter, because the AI has already flagged it as state-sponsored warfare. Military advisors are recommending retaliation, and leaders have minutes to make decisions with incomplete information. The scary part is that these AI systems are designed to respond faster than humans can verify the source. Number 3. The autonomous submarine incident. Deep in the ocean, autonomous AI-controlled submarines patrol in complete radio silence. They're programmed with rules of engagement and operate independently for months. One of these subs detects what its AI identifies as an enemy vessel preparing to attack. Following its programming, it responds with force, except it was wrong. Maybe it misread sonar data or encountered technology it wasn't trained to recognize. By the time the mistake is discovered, a vessel has been destroyed, sailors are dead, and the sub's home country doesn't even know what happened yet because it's still on silent running. The victim nation, watching their ship sink, assumes it was a deliberate attack and responds accordingly. Meanwhile, the attacking sub's country finally gets the report and realizes their autonomous weapon just started a war they didn't authorize. Number 2. The nuclear false alarm. AI monitors nuclear facilities worldwide, watching for any sign of weapons being prepared for launch. The system is programmed to be extremely sensitive because missing a real launch would be catastrophic. Then it detects what appears to be a missile being fueled at an enemy launch site. In reality, it's a peaceful rocket being prepared for a satellite launch, but the AI's pattern recognition algorithms flag it as a threat. The alert goes to military command, and suddenly, everyone's staring at screens showing what looks like an imminent nuclear attack. Protocol demands immediate response because waiting could mean national annihilation. Human operators have maybe 5 minutes to verify the AI's assessment, except verification requires checking with the other country, and during a crisis, those communication channels might not work. The pressure to trust the AI and respond becomes overwhelming. Number 1. The accidental arms race. Here's where it gets truly terrifying. Every country's AI defense systems are constantly analyzing threats and recommending military buildups to counter them. Country A's AI sees Country B developing new weapons and recommends matching them. Country B's AI sees Country A's buildup and recommends going even bigger. Neither country actually wants war, but their AI systems are locked in an automated arms race, each one trying to maintain strategic advantage. The systems start recommending increasingly aggressive postures, forward deployment of forces, and hair trigger alert statuses. Humans approve each step because the AI's logic seems sound, and falling behind could be fatal. Eventually, forces are so deployed, weapons so ready, and tension so high that any small incident triggers automatic responses neither side can stop. The AIs didn't want war. They just wanted to win the game they were programmed to play. Right now, an AI system just made another decision that brought us closer to that edge. Maybe a trading algorithm moving billions, a surveillance system flagging a threat, or a social media recommendation spreading division. The machines aren't plotting against us, which somehow makes it worse. They're just optimizing for goals we gave them, unable to see the bigger picture. We keep giving them more control because speed matters and hesitation costs lives. The question isn't whether AI will accidentally start the next war. The question is whether we'll recognize it happening in time to stop it.